In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download music from artlist.io. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, browse the catalog, pick the perfect track, and choose the right file format so your download fits your project's needs. First, sign in. Head to artlist.io and use the Sign In button at the top of the page. Enter your credentials and make sure you're logging into the account connected to your plan. If you stay signed in on your device, you'll be able to preview and download tracks without interruption. If you run into any access prompts, a quick refresh after signing in usually syncs everything. Next, open the stock catalog. From the main navigation, go to the catalog section that lists music tracks. This is where you'll see curated collections, search controls, and filters that make finding the right song fast and efficient. Think of this catalog as your creative control room. It's designed to help you narrow down thousands of options to a handful that match your vision. Now, find a song. Use the search bar if you already have keywords in mind, like a genre, mood, or instrument. Otherwise, explore using filters for mood, genre, tempo, and duration to match the vibe of your project, whether it's an upbeat montage or a calm narrative segment. Hover over track cards to preview instantly, and listen all the way through if you can to catch any transitions or climaxes. Pay attention to the track length, tempo, and any descriptive tags to ensure it complements your pacing. If you're comparing a few options, it helps to play them back to back to hear which one sits best under your voiceover or visuals. When you've found the track you want, click the download icon on the track card or its detail page. This button is usually easy to spot and indicates you're ready to grab the file. Make sure you're choosing the exact version you previewed so there are no surprises in your edit. Finally, select the file type, MP3 or WAV. Choose MP3 if you need a smaller file for quick drafts, note-taking, or sending previews to collaborators. It's compressed and convenient. Choose WAV if you want the highest audio quality for final edits, mixing, or professional delivery. It's uncompressed and preserves full fidelity. Keep in mind, WAV files are larger, but they give you more headroom for post-processing. That's it. Sign in, open the stock catalog, find your song, click download, and pick MP3 or WAV. With these steps, you'll work faster, sound better, and get exactly what your project needs.